Hola! Today we're making a very famous dessert coming from the beautiful San Sebastian in northern Spain. It's liquid inside, burnt in the outside, and it shakes a little. It's everyone's favorite. It's the world-famous burnt Basque cheesecake. So, let's get started. All the ingredients are in the description box below. First, we break the eggs. I'll be mixing them with our blender. Next, we add the sugar. And we mix everything well together. Now it's time to add the cream cheese. Philadelphia style will do the job very well for this cake. Mix it all together. Now we add some cream, which should be at least 35% fat. And we sift the flour with our sieve. The mixture is ready, so now we moisten the baking paper with a little water in the brush and we fit the paper in the baking mold. You may want to cut off any excess paper with the scissors. Now we pour the mixture very carefully and we take it to the oven. Be careful not to fill the mold too much because the cake will rise in the oven. I put the rest of the mix in this little mold. We now bake the cake for 40 minutes in the oven with the fan on at 210 degrees Celsius. Give it a little shake and it will dance right away. After resting for a while, the cake will settle. We remove the paper. And now you can cut it. The inside should be a little soft and liquid, and there's no need to add any chocolate, caramel or jam on top. Just eat it as it is. Time to give it a try. A wonderful cheesecake, delicious. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adiós.